Hello friends, welcome to the Specs Bar video. In this video, we are going to compare 2025 Toyota RAV4 and 2025 Honda CR-V. Both are SUVs from different companies and we will compare them to see which one is better to other. So let's start the comparison. If we compare engine specifications of Toyota RAV4, then it comes with the engine of 2.5 liters 4 cylinders with the horsepower of 203 and the torque of 184 pound-feet. It comes with electronically controlled continuously variable transmission and it features all-wheel drive system. On the other side, Honda CR-V comes with the engine of 1.5 liters 4 cylinders with the horsepower of 190 and the torque of 179 pound-feet. It comes with automatic transmission CVT and all the variants come with all-wheel drive system with intelligent control system. It is clear from the comparison that Honda RAV4 has better engine than Honda CR-V. So the point goes to 2025 Toyota RAV4. If you talk about weight and capacity, then both these cars come with the seating capacity of 5 persons. The cargo volume of Toyota RAV4 is 37.5 cubic feet and of CR-V is 39.3 cubic feet. Toyota RAV4 has curb weight of 3,640 pounds and of Honda CR-V is 3,472 pounds. Both of them come with a fuel tank capacity of 14 gallons. Due to higher cargo volume and lighter weight, the point goes to 2025 Honda CR-V. If you talk about fuel efficiency, then both of them come with the fuel efficiency of 30 miles per gallon. So no any car will be given the point. If we talk about dimensions, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 measures 180.9 inches in length, 73 inches in width, and 67 inches in height. It offers a ground clearance of 8 inches and a wheelbase of 105 inches. On the other side, Honda CR-V comes with the length of 184.4 inches, width of 73.5 inches and the height of 66.2 inches. It has ground clearance of 7.8 inches with the wheelbase of 106.3 inches. So we can see that there is not much difference to give the point to any car, so no any car will be given the point. Both the cars have almost same safety features like blind spot collision warning, smart cruise control, downhill brake control, anti-lock braking system, child lock system. Toyota RAV4 comes with 8 safety airbags while Honda CR-V comes with 10 safety airbags. Because of same safety features, no any car will be given the point. The price of Toyota RAV4 is $38,555 US, while Honda CR-V comes with the price of $30,100 US. We can see that both the cars earn 1 point. So we will decide over price. Due to lower price, the crown of this specs war goes to 2025 Honda CR-V. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for this type of more car comparison videos. Thank you.